Hey y'all, welcome back to Rolling with Stone. Today is going to be a makeup tutorial of how I got this nice glowy look here. I'm trying out a couple new products that I wanted to show you guys. I am using a illuminating face primer from e.l.f. which I've been seeing for so long but never thought to get it. So yeah, it's very illuminating, really gold. So I used this today. It's in the color Radiant Glow. And also I used a new e.l.f. Concealer. So lately you guys have been seeing me use the e.l.f. 16 hour camo concealer, right? So they've come out with not a 16 hour, but which is probably a little bit more matte or dry. They've come out with one similar to it but hydrating. So I went and picked up the e.l.f. hydrating camo concealer. It's a satin finish. It's supposed to be really nourishing and hydrating, you guys. I am using the color Tan Walnut. So yeah, if you want to see my thoughts on these products and how I got this look, then keep on watching. Okay, y'all, I am going to moisturize my lips using my EOS lip balm. And then the face primer, you guys. So this is the e.l.f. face primer that I just got. It is the e.l.f. illuminating face primer. It looks gold. It's in the color Radiant Glow. Radiant Glow. This is gold, okay? Now I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Face Tape Foundation, and I wear the color 49G Tan Deep Golden. For concealer, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. It's the satin finish one, you guys. So I got the color Tan Walnut. For cream contour, I am going in with the Nika K foundation. This is in the color Chocolate. It's the cream to powder foundation. Now I'm going to set my entire face using the Laura Mercier loose powder. This is the translucent powder in the color Medium Deep. To lightly set underneath my eyes, like really lightly, I'm going to use the Black Radiance True Complexion Loose Setting Powder, and this is in the color Banana. For my eyebrows today, I'm going to use the Bella Galore. This is the Sculpt a Brow Pomade, and I'm using the color Cocoa. For eyeshadow, I'm going in with this Maybelline New York The City Mini Palette. And I'm going to use that shiny gold color. And then the brown in the crease. For eyeliner, I'm going in with the Inglot Gel Liner in the color 77. I'm going to use the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. This is the medium to dark palette. Becca highlighter in Opal. For blush, the Bobbi Brown bronzer in the color Dark 3. For eyelashes, I'm going to go in with the best eyelashes ever. Socialite Mink Lash in the style After Party, which is shorter on the inside and they gradually go longer and fuller on the outside. So for mascara, I just went in with Levi mascara from Tui Bell. Downtown Beauty. And the Ruby Kisses Hydrating Clear Lip Gloss. And this is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I will put my final thoughts of these new products in the description box. I'm gonna wear it today, and then you can come back and read the description box for how I feel about it. So yeah, overall it looks great. So yeah, if you want to see more makeup tutorials from me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And until next time, thank you so much for rolling with Stone.